Fala aí, galera. Tô jogando aqui um jogo que eu sei que todo mundo gosta. Qual jogo é esse, galera? Isso mesmo. É o que vocês estão pensando aí. Deixa eu passar uma historinha aí pra vocês verem. Não fala não. Issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. You know they're guilty, you just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man.
Hey, how do you want me to bring you in?
Então, galera, eu não sei o que usar. Vamos ver, né? Deixa eu ver. Vamos usar essa daqui. Vamos ver, vamos ver. Vamos ver. Galera, não deu muito certo não, né? Vamos ver.
Hey, did you hear something over there? Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Nossa, galera, mas já... galera, não sei o que usar não. Já sei, galera, vou usar esse daqui, vou voltar desde o começo.
Hey, did you hear something over there? Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Agora vamos lá. Vamos ver. Isso aqui, ó.
Check. This is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Então, galera. Usar o tóxico, né? Vamos ver. Muito bem. Galera. Não deu muito certo. Nossa, galera. Esse aspirador, vamos ver. Nossa, vai aspirar a tampa.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. All right, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking...
Galera, o que uma cola pode fazer, né? Mas vamos ver primeiro esse daqui. Não deu muito certo. Vamos ver a cola. Nossa, galera, a cola deu certo. Que bosta, gente. Olha, como isso poderia ter dado certo?
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh? Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across. Let me just... wait. Up. Down.
Não, galera. Deixa eu ver isso daqui.
Alright, here it comes.
Pardon? Okay, press the
Sounds like
button.
guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this?
Eu achei que ele ia bater no cara com osso, galera. Mas não, né? Olha.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Sim,
Oh
vamos ver,
man, that
galera.
duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Nossa, galera. Vamos
Oh
ver.
man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait,
Nossa,
wait.
galera.
There's
Eu achei
no
que ia dar
way you're
errado,
getting
mas...
through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct.
Vamos ver.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Vamos por esse caminho.
Meh.
Okay. I don't understand what that means.
Estou por aqui.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Vamos sair daqui, galera. Vamos ver no que dá. É, galera, não deu muito certo. Vamos ver a granada. É, galera. Essa arma da hora, vamos ver o que ela faz.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.
Galera, não conseguimos. Então, galera, vai ficando o vídeo de hoje por aqui. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Quem gostou, dá like. Falou, fui, tchau.